everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I got a fantastic vegetarian recipe. This is chickpeas and cauliflower curry. This wonderful curry easy to make it at home and so delicious and very healthy. So let's get started. Here I have some chickpeas. This is from a can, or you can soak and cook your own chickpeas. That would make much fluffier and bigger, but this you can speed up the time. In here 3 cups of cauliflower, cut them into bite-sized florets, 2 chopped onions, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, or you can use any types of tomatoes, finely crush 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and 1 chopped chili, fresh coriander, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and here I have all the spices, 1 cup of vegetable stock, and also you need some coconut milk and fresh cream into the curry. Now I'm going to start cooking. Some vegetable oil into the pan, about 3 tablespoons. When it's hot, add the mustard seeds. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds, otherwise they will burn. Now you can hear them start popping up. Now I am going to add onions. On a medium-high heat, fry the onions about 7 to 8 minutes or until they caramelize and the onions turn a nice golden brown. Now add in ginger, garlic and chili. Stir everything and cook for another 2 minutes. I put 1 chili, but if you like it spicier, add more chilies. Now you can see this is cooked. Now spices. Fry the spices about 20 to 30 seconds and make sure it doesn't burn. Now tomatoes. Stir and cook them till they soften. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. I am going to add chickpeas. Mix everything and cook with the spices about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add cauliflower. Mix them all and cook for a few minutes. Some salt. You need to add generous amount of salt, but this is to your personal taste. I am going to add vegetable stock. Give a stir and bring this to boil. Now turn down the heat. Put the lid on, let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes and let the flavor develop. I'm going to check the curry. Stir again. Now I'm going to add some coconut milk, about 2 tablespoons. And also I am adding 3 tablespoons of double cream. If you want it, you can use only coconut milk or cream, but I prefer to have both. I'm going to give a good stir and continue to cook another 3 to 4 minutes. This is almost ready. I'm going to have a taste. Just make sure that the seasoning right. It's very good. Need a little bit of salt. Some salt. Now I'm going to add fresh coriander. Lots of coriander. This is mild curry. If you like to have spicy, then add more chilies and other spices. Now turn off the heat and ready to serve. I'm going to put the lid on, just leave it 5 more minutes. I'm going to taste again. So much flavor and it's really nice. For this curry, you can serve with rice, bread, naan, or anything. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.